That does not sound too good.
We're gonna watch this again in 6 months from now, and this car is gonna be insanity. Insanity. E85, built trans, running low 10s.
6 months?
Watch it. 6 months, baby.
6 months.
Speak it into existence. We'll be there. We'll be there. Welcome back to another video. Today is the day we are going to be running Stangry on the drag strip. This is going to be the one and only time that we run it on this setup. It is a 76mm on 3 single turbo. I'm very excited. I'm hoping that I can finally run that 9, but it doesn't matter because either way it's coming off immediately, and we are throwing on a twin turbo kit from Hellhorse. I'm very, very excited for that. Should be a couple weeks. I'm still waiting for it to come in, but while I'm down there with Jay, I'm just going to leave the car with him so I don't have to keep going back and forth. But I'm gonna keep the intro nice and short. I'm about to make that 4-hour drive to Valdosta in the Mustang, so hopefully we survive that, and hopefully we've survived the track day. But either way, should be a pretty exciting one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stick around so you can see how the build ends up going. We've got some crazy plans for it, and I hope you guys enjoy. Quick pit stop, had to get gas. Unfortunately, there is no E85, so I'm actually switching my tune over from my E85 tune to the 93 tune. I put in a little 93 just to get me to Jay's because I'm gonna have to switch back. So we made it to Jay's shop, but there's no Jay. Jay gets off work in an hour.
What are you doing for an hour?
Looks like his shop neighbors are grilling out. Maybe we can get a burger.
I'm trying to get it. This is bullshit.
I'm gonna have to edit that one out.
Bullshit.
Alright boys, we're here at the shop. Everybody's here except for Toby. Of course Toby is late. Parker's filming me filming him.
No, I'm trying to cover up David.
David's not real, see? Move out of the way real quick. Oh fuck, you're
Yeah. Yeah, as I was saying, you probably need more ass than that.
Where's your car at?
This won't come out.
We got Stangry, and where's Blue?
Here.
Hey, Jay, you got like a long screwdriver so we can get this out? Just drop it down in there.
Glad you finished that
I'll pay
sentence.
you $1.50 for the tour.
All right, drag pack is on one side. Got to go to the other side. Connor, move. I'm supposed to be pretending like I'm doing the work.
Oh, okay, my bad.
I feel like we're forgetting something.
No, we're good. We're good.
Guys, why does Parker never work on his own fucking car?
That's why.
If we look at it long enough, we'll figure out what's wrong.
What's wrong here?
I don't know.
We're still missing.
Yeah, put the 2 on
Yeah,
and drop that thing down.
we're missing too.
Oh my god! Is that Toby Vega D?
As we're pulling up,
Is that Toby Vega D?
We're gonna shove it over to get.
Is that Toby Vega D? Is that Toby Vega D?
roast me for being late?
Bro, please.
Oh yeah, why
What's
the
up,
fuck did
Connor?
it take so long to get here?
How you doing?
Toby. We're supposed to be prepared. Supposed to be here 3 hours ago and has a flat tire. Oh my god. Doing his weight reduction. Bro got sponsored by Valvetronic and never has it on.
He has to keep it in the car.
I said, as part of the sponsorship, it technically has to be in the car, and this counts. You stalled out twice trying to leave Jay's shop. You got it! Toby's learning manual today. I have 10 miles still empty. 12. I'm coasting. I'm coasting. Don't tell Jay that I'm using this. He won't charge me for it. There's a million people here, so we're about to get teched in and then go get our first run.
Road tree or no time or nothing like that?
best coaching ever. How exactly do you need to do this, Toby?
So we're a little scared of going into third, so we're gonna go first. Forward.
Okay. I like it. I like it.
Take a picture of Parker and I. Look at these best friends.
Why are you still here?
I don't know the hell.
I look about 5 inches tall.
Parker does have a helmet. Scared, Parker?
Yeah. Scared. It's gonna be the last time. The one and only time I actually get to drive the car. Oh, I'm scared that I'm gonna blow it up. I have only floored it on the max boost maybe 3 times. And all I could think was, damn, this is gonna be terrifying from a dig. And now we're about to do that.
This is gonna be crazy. It's either gonna go like hell, got a 1-3, or it's gonna break like. But don't let that stop you. All right, good luck.
This is going to be the only pass. They said that they're closing the staging lanes, and this will be our one and only run. So it has to go well. I think my 60 foot might be a little lower than normal, or higher than normal, because it's not immediate torque. But hopefully with that, I'll be able to hook better, and then it can just let that big single turbo eat.
125.
I'm having a mini heart attack.
I
look like
I was
feeling
at
the
166
outside.
earlier
I'm
after
not.
his pool. So pre-race thoughts, nervous. Pre-race thoughts, nervous. I'm naked. Great coaching.
I think we just did it. I think we just ran the 9. I think we did it. Nothing broke. Nothing broke at all. It was moving. Please, please, kind lady, give me a 9-second slip. Tell me there's a 9 on it.
Huh?
Tell me there's a 9 on it.
Well, there's a 9 at the quarter mile.
Oh! Can I get some knucks?
983.
Let's go!
Something happened. I think I blew my clutch. It stopped revving out and the clutch started slipping.
Try and just... Toby thinks he blew his clutch up. Dude. Oh my god! I just ran a 9.8. A 9.8. I haven't even looked at the slip. She just said 9.8. My hands are shaking. 9.8 at 143. Dog. Oh my god! How's a 9 feel? Did you blow your clutch?
Yeah, unfortunately, but you know, we'll put a vengeance in there and
All right, blown is not the right
burned it,
terminology.
toasted it.
Okay, my question is Mexico on the way home, or is that not an option anymor?
We'll
If
try.
it cools off, it might hold it.
What'd you go? What'd you go?
What'd you say?
9.8.
9.8 at 143.
Almost need a parachute.
What do you have to say about that performance?
I think the car did exactly what I expected it to. But that bitch has a lot left in it. I'm really sad that
We are not going to see it at all.
we're not going to see what that single kit could have done. But I think it could have gone a lot deeper into the 9s easy. A mile an hour though, 143, not bad.
I'm still shaking. Coconut water.
Coconut water.
Coconut water.
Coconut water.
Celebratory coconut water.
Yeah, of course.
I don't know if the footage came out good. One and only 9. I really hope that you guys did a good job. Turn to the right and I see 9 cameras, and I was like, please.
Oh, we
don't
were all
mess this
sitting there.
up.
We were all
Please
sitting there like,
don't
come on.
mess this up. And I didn't mess up. It broke loose, and I was like, I'm staying on.
Cheers.
Cheers to the 9s.
Fucking successful single, one pass, brand new setup, trans brake, 2-step, all new. Went down, made that second pass.
You know how much editing I'm gonna have to do because of your ass?
Yeah.
Where's the GoPro in here?
side of the interstate, damn it. I thought the drive shaft went. We were doing some pulls in Mexico. And my wastegate.
What happened, Parker?
The wastegate. This
Blew the wastegate off?
fell off.
That.
I wouldn't touch that.
It might be flat, but there is no hole in it. I'm not giving you a discount.
You son of a.
It still functions. It just has.
He knows what he got.
It has a. Here.
He knows what
Here's
he
a
has.
Band-Aid.
Really sheared?
It's slid on the ground.
Yeah, at like 60 miles an hour.
I'm telling you, I could just grab that.
Oh wow, that is hot. Yeah. I honestly don't see anything wrong with it at all.
It's fine. There's no holes in it.
There's no hole in it. It still functions. You owe me $5,500. Well, I thought that we just blew the damn. I thought that the drive shaft went. I heard something dragging.
I knew it wasn't.
But everything was going. The car was driving fine. It just sounded like I had something under the car. Surely enough, the wastegate came unclamped, and I flattened it down to a perfect plate. So, but Jay said it should be fine to drive on, so we're gonna head back to his shop and I guess have him look at it.
I love that flutter, bro. Got a massive fireball.
Oh my god! This is gonna be Stangry's resting spot for the next month or so. What do you think? Month? For Stangry. Gonna sit right here for the next month. Only one thing you can do after a track day, hit up some Waffle House All-Star Special. All-Star Special? All-Star Special. We're taking the M4. We're taking Stormy. All right, we're about to give Toby a little ride in the car.
Oh my